Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use auto clicker in iPhone. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open the settings, and here we're just going to go over the search bar below and go ahead and look for switch control right here. I'm going to go ahead and click the third option. Now that we are here, you can see that we have these switches. I want you to go ahead and choose that one. Click add new switch, and then we're going to go ahead and use screen. I'm going to click that, choose full screen. There's no option anyway. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to the system, and you should be able to see the first option, tap. Go ahead and click that one, and then go back here, and we're going to go ahead and create our recipe. So this is now where we're going to be doing the auto clicker or setting it up. Create new switch or new recipe rather, and then go ahead and name this one auto clicker, and then click assign a switch, choose full screen, and then we're going to choose custom gesture, the fifth option right here. And there you go. Go ahead and start doing the gesture here. So I'm going to go ahead and do something like this, and then click the save button. Now, you have the option to time it out. So say, for example, you want this to be done after like 10 seconds, you can do that. And then once you're done, close this, and you have the launch recipe down below. So I'm going to click that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose untitled recipe. That basically is the auto clicker. We can go ahead and name this once again. All right. And yeah, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click switch control, and it's going to enable this one. So let's do it. All right, there you go. So you're seeing invalid configuration, but it's still working. Don't worry about that one. Basically, that's how you're going to do it. Again, everybody, that is the easiest way to turn on auto clicker on iPhone.